also just fitted some rear parking sensors on this Suzuki Vitara. As well as that, I come back here, I fitted a van true dash cam. Which is there. It's the parking sensors brand that we use. Coming inside, this is the dash cam. This is the switch for the parking sensors at the front. This is the front parking sensors. I use matte black on this matte black section. Okay, still wiring just down there. That's the only visible wiring that you can see. The speaker for the front parking sensors are on this side, and this is another look at the dash cam. Okay. Let's move these parts over to the passenger seat. My scrap wheel. That's the rear parking sensors. Looking at the display, you can see that's the rear camera pointing up a little bit too much. So I'm going to go and turn that down. Just doing that. There you go. Way better. That's it. So get in touch if you want any bundles like front and rear parking sensors as well as a dash cam. That's what a lot of customers are going for at the moment. So yeah, get in touch. Thanks a lot.